getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. It is a purple and teal look. It was actually requested for me to do a purple eyeshadow look since this month is Fibromyalgia Awareness Month. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay, so I just did my brows and I primed with my Tarte Shape Tape. I used the shade Fair Neutral today. And then I set the concealer with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Most of that doesn't change. That's pretty much what I do every time to prime my eyes and get ready. So today I am going to be doing a purple eyeshadow look. This was requested, Just Call Me Joe. She said, would you do a purple look on May 12th in honor of those that suffer from fibromyalgia? It is something I deal with every day, and it's Fibromyalgia Awareness Month, which I did not know that. Fibromyalgia is widespread muscle pain and tenderness. So it says more than 3 million US cases per year, which is a huge amount. So today I'm going to be taking my Sephora Pro editorial palette. There are some pretty purple shades in this, and I did say in my last video that I do want to start using this palette more. I think it's so pretty. So these are seriously so pretty. I really like these shades. I'll have the shades listed down below. So all the shades listed down below that I use. Now my eyes are primed, set, ready to go. Picking up my Morphe M504 brush, and I'm just going to dip right in to Maisha, this light purple shade right here. These have kind of a lot of kick up. Let me scoot you guys in. So I am just taking that light purple and I'm working it in basically as a transition shade. I'm just going to lay it down above the crease and diffuse it out towards the brow. Turn the brightness down. I feel like you guys can't see the colors as well. I really like these colors because they diffuse out really nicely, but you can also build them up to a very intense, bright, almost neon look. Oh, and excuse my non-matching brows. If you guys have watched any of my videos, you know that my brows never match. My brows are two completely different shapes. The way they sit on my eyes, or the way they sit on my face, they're just two completely different. And I'm going to pick up Electric Violet, which is right here. Right here, this deeper purple shade. I'm going to work that in the crease. I'm going to focus it mainly on the outer V. This is a Kiri Cosmetics tapered blending brush. I actually love this brush. I got this brush set off Amazon. It's one of my favorite brush sets. I'm going to take that purple shade and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of this teal shade Sean, and I'm going to work that, keep that right on the lid. Deepening that outer V, because there isn't a very dark purple in here. Like, I almost need one more really dark purple, but these are mixing really nicely. And then I'm just taking whatever product is left on the brush and working it just slightly into the crease. I'm not going all the way in though. Mixing the Electric Violet with this blue, which is CREASE. I'm trying to get a deeper purple. Yeah, I like that one. These shades actually mix really nicely together. So if you don't have the color that you need in the palette, like how I needed a deeper purple, this is actually making a really pretty one. And I'm keeping that really concentrated right on the lid, and then I'll go in with that first brush to blend out that crease area. So again, taking that M504 from Morphe and picking up this lighter pinky purple. And I am just going to blend out that crease. Okay, so that is what it's looking like. I really like it. I don't use purple a lot. So I'm going to take some of that Tarte Shape Tape and I am going to do a half cut crease. Take the matte white shade Porcelain in this same palette. And I'm going to pack that all over where I put that concealer. Okay, so I really like the way that white looks, but I am going to take that second brush that we used and pick up Maybelline, the lighter purple again, and just blend that. Since I have hooded eyes, I do have to go above my crease quite a bit. And then I'm going to take a small brush. This is a Curie Cosmetics pencil brush, and I'm going to take that Maybelline shade again and just go right above the cut crease to just really define that. Really like that. That's pretty. I went into this not even having an idea of what I wanted to do. So I'm going to quickly go over and do that on this eye. For the lower lash line, I am going to pick up Sean, which is this one, on a Morphe E36. Just smoke that out on the lower lash line. Taking Helen P on a Morphe E18 brush, smoking that out on the outer edges. For the waterline, I'm going to take this Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil. This is the shade Silky Nude, and I'm going to put that right on the waterline. Next, taking the Stila Magnificent Metal in Diamond Dust. Take a very small, tiny, thin brush. This is the Beige Cosmetics number 14 brush, and I just pick it up and I'm going to line that half cut crease with this glitter. I love adding just like a little accent of glitter right there, and then also I'm going to put it right on the inner corner of my lower lash line. So this is what we're looking at. I really like this. So I'm gonna go do liner, lashes, and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished up the rest of my makeup. I popped on some lashes, I did some winged liner, and this is the finished look. I'm obsessed with it. I love how it turned out. I came into this not even having any little idea of what I wanted to do, but I love how it turned out. I really like this look. Lots of Little Mermaid vibes from this with the purple on top, and then I did the teal on the bottom to kind of tie in my hair with this eyeshadow look, but I really love it. I just love how it turned out. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Like, I think that it is beautiful. I'm excited that I got to use my Sephora Pro editorial palette again. I really like that palette. I did film the rest of this face makeup, which will be coming up next, so if you want to see that. It was an update on some of the newer stuff that I have been testing out, so I just kind of tell you guys my thoughts on what I think about the products now that I have been testing them out a little bit longer. If you liked this video and like videos like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that I know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week. If you have any suggestions for products or looks you want me to try out, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and I'll be sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.